Presidential candidate Bernie Sanders making some remarks at the Walmart shareholder meeting. Let's listen in.
Let me thank Walmart employee Kat Davis for introducing this resolution. And it states, and I quote, "Resolved, shareholders of Walmart urge the board to adopt a policy of promoting significant representation of employee perspectives among corporate decision makers by requiring that the initial list of candidates from which new nominees are chosen by the Nominating and Governance Committee include hourly associates. The policy should provide that any third-party consultant asked to furnish an initial list will be requested to include such candidates." End of quote, end of resolution. Madam Chair, the issue that we are dealing with today is pretty simple. Walmart is the largest private employer in America and is owned by the Walton family, the wealthiest family in the United States, worth approximately $175 billion. And yet, despite the incredible wealth of its owner, Walmart pays many of its employees starvation wages, wages that are so low that many of these employees are forced to rely on government programs like food stamps, Medicaid, and public housing in order to survive. Frankly, the American people are sick and tired of subsidizing the greed of some of the largest and most profitable corporations in this country. They are also outraged by the grotesque level of income and wealth inequality in America, as demonstrated by the CEO of Walmart making 1,000 times more than the average Walmart employee. Last year, Walmart made nearly $10 billion in profit. It paid its CEO over $20 million in compensation, and it has authorized $20 billion in stock buybacks, which will benefit its wealthiest stockholders. Surely, with all of that, Walmart can afford to pay its employees a living wage of at least $15 an hour. And that is not a radical idea, because many of Walmart's...
Senator Bernie Sanders, of course, presidential hopeful, with a proposal at the Walmart shareholder meeting to increase worker pay to the minimum to $15 an hour and give hourly employees a seat on the board. As we pointed out several times, Walmart's raised wages twice since 2016.
Yeah, and the Walton family does have a controlling stake in terms of shares, so this is not widely expected to be voted into being. Might be why a company is trading up, or shares are trading up more than 1% right now, but certainly calling a lot of attention to this idea of workers' rights, minimum wage, the debate we've seen brewing there, and the role that companies are playing in employees' daily activities.
We'll keep our eye on for more headlines out of that shareholder meeting.